What's up, YouTube? Minnie here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm still here in the big store, in the one, you know the one. I'm here, you guys, and I'm trying to look at everything and show you guys everything that's new for the week. This particular location just has so much to choose from, and I think it's because the aisles are bigger and wider, and they just hold a lot more on the shelves here. But yeah, you guys, I've been having a great time bringing you guys along and showing you guys everything. They have so many cute activity books. They even have the water painting books that I saw last week, and I actually got one of them for myself. I was like, I don't care if they're for kids. I used to love those when I was little, and I just wanted to get one for myself because it made me happy, so I did. But I haven't used it yet. But I did pull out the paint brushes. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this little one. Smellies, they're calling them smellies. Little peach. Tropical fruit is the scent. They are really, really cute. So cute. Oh, I love these, you guys. These are great. These are amazing. I love them so, so much. Just don't put them in your dryer because they're not supposed to go in the dryer. They'll last you a lot longer if you don't. We have new paracord in different colors. And behind me, it's just all the phone accessories. The store is really, really loaded up. This is the pop socket I have on my phone. I've been using it since the summer. It's great. It's amazing. It was a little bit stiff when I first started using it, but I'm totally used to it now, and it hasn't broken. And you know, I've had real pop sockets. I was super loyal to the pop socket brand, and I've had those break after about 6 months, but so far this one has not broken. Ooh, look, you guys, all the candles. Wow, this area is looking really nice. Super nice. We have a variety of cute little candles that say home on them. We also have brand new candles with the stripes. Blue raspberry. Whoa, these are like super sturdy. This is like a really sturdy little setup. I guess these are supposed to be like little snow cones or like little ices. These are cute. The little cameras. I got one of those. I had to get one. I thought it was pretty cute. I was like, where am I going to put this? I just have it like on my dresser with like some perfumes and different body things, and then I just have like the cute little camera sitting there. I just got it for myself, just kind of honoring this time of having a YouTube channel and filming regularly. It's just like a little symbol of like what I'm doing right now, you know? Little money boxes. More scented candles. We have moonshine dust. And then we have golden citron. And then we have aquamarine glaze. These are single wick candles, and they're really sturdy. I really like the little iridescent frost that they put on them. Oh, that's another moonshine dust. The color kind of deceived me. It looked like it was sort of a green. We also have our little LED pillar candles. These would be perfect for Christmas time, up to 120 hours. That's no flame, it's just for looks. If you like the look of a candle, but you can't or don't want to burn a candle in your home, all the little decorative things. We even have 11 by 14 picture frames. You could definitely DIY one of those, turn it into a little whiteboard, do whatever you want with it. Welcome to our home. That's the really great thing about Dollar Tree. Like, you may look at some of these items and say, you know, I really don't want this for a picture frame, but I want it for something else. Like, maybe you don't want this to be something you hang on your wall, but maybe you want to flip it over and turn it into like a Zen garden. Fill it with sand, fill it with some succulents or whatever, and just totally use it for something else and do your own thing with it. That's what I love about Dollar Tree. We can come in here and we can just get the raw material. We can get the whatever it is that we need for our project and turn it into whatever we want. Okay, over here with all the yarns. These are like embroidery floss almost. Like the sort of stuff that people used to make friendship bracelets out of. It's about that heavy and about that thick. But you could do a lot with that. Paintbrushes. I think this variety is new. Yeah, I haven't seen these before. I'm just always looking for new stuff when I come over here. Oh, the big ones are back, you guys. The big sticks are back. Okay, what's going on with these? These ones seem, they're actually the same. 60 for this size. They're not quite as wide as a tongue depressor. And then we have your basic popsicle stick one down here. I think I should get some of these for Gator, maybe a pack. He might appreciate that. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Play Clay Hair Salon. Aw, I want one. I need one. Do they have any other varieties? You just put the clay in and create hair. This might be fun for TikTok. We have more over here, but it looks like they're all the same. Yeah, I want one. I need that. I need that for me. If you guys are in here and you see something, don't worry if it's a kid item. If you want it, get it. Get it, share it, donate it, or get it and use it and do whatever you want to do with it. But if you want to try something out, just get it. Why not? That's what I do. Wow. We have a lot of containers in here. Foam letter stickers. The 8 pieces of felt. Graphite pencils. Tons of vinyl paper for crickets. So many things. They have a lot of these in here. A whole lot. How's mine looking? Is my clay good? Let's see. I'm gonna get this one. This one looks a little bit fuller. I need to create all the hair I can, right? I'm getting it. Yeah, you guys. Well, that's it for this video, you guys. It was a lot of fun. Thank you for coming along. I love shopping with you guys. I love reading your comments. And I love hearing what you guys are looking for or what you recently found on your latest trip to Dollar Tree. If you're still watching all the way to the end, let me know what's on your wish list. What are you currently looking for at Dollar Tree right now? Oh, these are so cute. It's a little 2-pack, you guys. This is my first time even seeing these. These are really adorable. And then we actually have some Tsum Tsums in here. Aw, so cute. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.